just a hole. Just a hole in hell. So, how long, like, when did you start fishing?
Like 7th grade.
Okay, what about Caden?
We were fishing like way before, like when we were like 5 or 6 or something.
Damn.
And he was like into it. So I think it's like ancient.
Ancient?
Like, yeah, in a way. There's no still there. I guess that's in existence anymore.
Oh shit. There is just a boat.
So we're gonna take the boat out. So that's usually where we fish from, because there's always shared stuff down here.
Mm-hmm.
You can even fish off this thing right here. This thing will just float around, but it's obviously a little scary.
I was thinking that.
But you see there's like a rock wall over down that side, and obviously it's like, basically this thing's very deep. You know how you can always tell when a body of water is deep?
How?
Because if it's shallow, the whole like around the area of like where the pond's built, like my pond behind my house, it's like pretty flat on the one side and it's really shallow. But if it's like a hillside like that, usually it means it's just like that all the way down. And also there's a car.
There's a car in
off the rock wall.
So there's a car in the pond.
There's a car. Yeah, there's a car in the street. So there's a bunch of bluegills in here. There's carp. There might be catfish. Like I'm not 100% sure.
No, the camera just fell.
Or like until we are out in the middle, I would really just keep it in like an iron grasp. But I also would have you get on the boat first since you have Tim's.
How do they tend to fly here?
Because
I'm goated.
Because I can walk out into the water and
true.
then push it. You can't.
Should I go up there and sit in the front?
Yeah. That's why I love these pockets, bro. I can just sit everything up so I can't lose anything. Yeah, I want to sit on the front. You're good. You're good. It's still on the land. Woo! Alright, Trent, you in next. Come on. Come on.
Trying to like, I don't even get a chance to sit down. Joey's just fucking me already.
Alright. Someone's gotta grab the pickle from me.
Damn, 4 of them. Here.
And these boots are loose, dog, because we gotta swim. How's it going, Chad?
Is this what you were expecting today when we were getting into fishing?
Not at all. I'm fucking for it.
That's how you do it though, Damien. You just gotta get out there. So see, like I wasn't expecting this either, but see, we just did it, and now we're having a 10 times better time than we expected.
I was just like, alright, we're probably gonna end up going
I
into
knew
Joey's
Trent was
pond,
like,
and then it's just
I knew
like.
Trent was gonna be skeptical of the boat, but I'm like, we're all gonna be in the boat. See, look at that rock wall I'm telling you about though. Look at that.
How pretty that is.
It's like a cave, dude. On a predatory fish for it.
Okay. Chat, look at his CS knife.
Battle scarred.
Literally. Boom.
Dude, Trent, how about me and Damon stopped down at the local Indian place, and dude, they were literally speaking Indian as we were walking out. See, at Parsley, Damon, if you're not even getting a bite on your worm, you could just let it sit out there because the way these carp work, there's so many of them in here, they might just find it.
Alright.
I'm putting this lure. Just never think that we're under. Just never think that there's a 15-foot alligator or crocodile underneath of us. I will freak out. You're talking about biggest view.
It's the
Oh my bad.
the alligator just
Getting
sitting there
back
waiting.
shots.
Get Trent back shots. Oh my eye. No, I'm gonna leave my post up somewhere.
Right.
So get your bait up on for you, we can start moving. Apparently the car's all back at the mash, dude.
Might as well.
Might as well.
Might as well.
Alright, Damon, we're going on a haul.
Go where?
To the other side.
Someplace where they'll never find you.
liking the new fishing rod a lot.
Don't make me crash out, then I'm throwing that off the fucking bow and
Where's
then
that
you
metal
got
right
to
there?
swim.
There's metal back there. Oh, there's even a big ass rock.
A lot of big rocks.
Is the blue out there the car?
Oh no. The car we already went over.
Oh, really?
They drove it off the rock wall. I think right here is a good trend.
There's Trent. He stole a Hellcat and then did it.
Like, you can go right there, Trent.
Oh
Oh my god, look at that. Holy shit. Gotta announce before they move. I heard nothing hit the perfect. Holy shit.
There it is.
Literally. Yeah, Dane, whenever you cast,
You didn't
just
get the
let-
worm.
Dane, whenever you cast, just let it sit. Trust me. Just watch. Just make sure you don't let your rod go. Because you could either get one of those,
Ah, you cocksucker.
or you get a big goldfish. Trent, where's my pool going?
So big, I'm not gonna lip him.
Trent, what is that?
He's the goat. It's a blue gigi. Hopefully we catch a crop PB.
See you, Trent.
Yeah, no.
Oh. Oh my god. Blue Gigi. Be back in the shallows.
Back in the shallows. Maybe up on the trees. Oh.
Oh, did you have one?
I had a bite.
Yep. Just let him take it. Well, look at that little boy.
Ooh.
Yes, dude. There really is a snake right there in that tree, though, Damon. You see it, Trent?
Yeah, no.
Oh. Oh my god. Blue Gigi. Should we get close to it and like look at it maybe?
Should.
Holy Trent, look.
What did?
Oh no.
Holy shit.
Oh my
There's two of them. He's gonna jump at me.
Try to put your rod on the other side. There is two of them. Can I whack it?
Hey, if you're gonna whack it, I gotta record.
Grab that motherfucker.
There's two of them.
I'll lean to the left side so you can just.
I'm leaning to the right so we're balanced.
Get in there.
So fun.
He's just
Oh
gone.
my.
This dude's whacking snakes and I'm getting fucking tied up on my reel.
I got like what's it? There used to be a dog back here apparently. So I'm basically just fishing like a hook with like a weight built into it. A little jig head. Get a fish on. No freaking way, dude. Look at that fish.
Look at him stuck in
Look how obese it is. You catch all the obese fish. Its stomach's like a third of its size.
Birds of a feather flock together, motherfucker.
Look at it. He's like swinging in the camera.
Look at him.
Like, nice thing we went and did was go out to Salem Reservoir.
Dude.
Oh yeah, it was a good time. You guys took the boat out there?
Dude, did you see that? I literally had a motherfucker on my fucking hook and then he jumped off as I was reeling it.
Last time it was almost as big as that flathead.
Look at my knife.
Holland cow. That big flathead.
Oh,
It was that big. It was like a 20-pound channel cat though.
What? I'm getting a bite.
I don't know if that's a huge line. It broke somebody's line. You know, like a pup pulled him over the string. Oh yeah. That's back in the day where we had Polaroids. Like you had like
Check them out.
waterproof cameras.
Sorry.
You know what we usually used to catch carp?
What?
Corn.
What? Corn? I remember you said something about grabbing a can of corn.
Yeah, usually we bring out, when I come out here, I usually bring out a whole can of corn. I'll take like 2 handfuls of it. You just chum the water. And you get a little hook. Like what you have on now, like really I have like the exact same hook on. I'd put like 5 kernels, I'd try to fit as many kernels as I could on one hook. And then cast it out there. Cause The carp come in like a big ass school. So they start feeding on all the corn. And when we find yours, which has a bunch of corn all in one piece.
Oh yeah.
And then
They're like, I just hit the water. Oh no, I'm getting pulled. Holy shit. Hold on, let me lock in.
Cut this, I don't know where the water's gonna go. If I have to cut the back out and send it down to the creek, I don't know how we're gonna do it. How you gonna get pump it out?
Round 2.
Yeah.
I always take a little pellet gun with me. I got this little pistol pellet gun, little pellets. They start fucking shooting.
No chance. No chance, motherfucker.
Yeah, since you sissies are gonna freaking put them to full of water and then you guys use it next time. Put it back on the block. You don't scare the shit up in there and drive along the black people. One day excuse me, my boys in that boat and throw them out and stuff in there. And they run around the boat.
I'm literally just the best. Look at him, he's kind of got like a rainbow shimmer to him. Look at him, he's all rainbow and shit. Look at him. I got a rainbow fish.
Did ya?
Yeah, I'm not even fucking with you. He's got like a rainbow shimmer on him.
Peace out.
Look at him, he's just chilling.
Rainbow blue.
How's it going here on the aisle?
I've caught at least like 6 things,
Look
dude.
how fat they are. They're all just like little butter balls.
That's perfect, dude.
Thank God he made it in the water.
Shark wow. Over here. The damn can make his cast.
Oh, look how fucked my line is. It's kind of goated.
I caught like 5 boogie on them. Like,
God damn it, Damon. Just look at it. There's plants growing through it. Yes! We have bait, Trumpton. Eat the baits.
Here you go, Trent. Come get him.
Metal jacket kinda heavy. At the bottom of the lake, I looked up for my Chevy.
Listen, y'all been hit like pop rocks. We got too hot lighting blunts with lava. Look at the fish. He's brown as fuck.
I can't hear you, Damon. I can't hear you, Damon.
This motherfucker really on video just doing that.
Can't hear you, Damon.
I hate him.